Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Now I am going to discuss uh, problems based on the directional cosines. Okay, in the previous classes we have done many problems, and also we have seen a directional cosine and resolution of vector in a space. Okay, that concept is very important, and based on that concept now I am going to see we are going to see some problems. Okay, let us see. First problem is a bird moves with a velocity 20 meter per second in a direction making an angle of 60 degrees with the eastern line, and also 60 degrees with the vertical upwards. Then represent the velocity vector in a rectangular form. Okay, so let us try to understand the question by drawing a diagram. So let us understand, let us consider this is east, north, and this is south and west. Okay, so a bird is moving with a velocity 20 meter per second in the direction making an angle of 60. Let us consider this is x axis as east, y axis, and this is z axis because it is in the plane. Now bird is moving in this way. Okay, so this is the velocity of the bird is v bar is equals to 20 meter per second. Okay, 20 meter per second. Now the angle making, that is 60 degrees with the eastern, yes, okay, eastern, that is alpha is equals to 60 degrees, and this is beta, and this is what, gamma. So y axis always like this. Okay, so here this is gamma and this is beta. One more angle is given. Okay, one angle is completed, that is alpha is equal to 60, and 60 degrees with the vertical upwards. Which is vertical? And this is the vertical. Yes, this is the vertical like this. Okay, x axis, y axis, and this is z axis which is vertical, so that gamma value is given. Okay, so cos alpha, that is 60, cos gamma 60. Okay, and now here we have to find this beta. So from the directional cosines, that is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1, because the sum of the squares of the directional cosines equal to 1. This is the principle or formula already we have seen. Now let us write down cos square alpha, nothing but what, 60, cos square beta we don't know, and cos square gamma 60 degrees equal to 1, right? Next, cos 60, that is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square beta plus cos 60, it is also 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1, and this is 1 by 4 cos square beta plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. This is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4 plus cos square beta equal to 1. Now let us solve it completely, and this is cos square beta equal to, this 2 by 4 is going that side, becomes minus, that is 1 minus 2 by 4, that is 2 minus 2 by 4 equal to 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1 by 2. Cos square beta is equals to 1 by 2, then cos beta is equals to what, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, whereas cos alpha is equals to what, 1 by 2, yes, cos alpha how much, 1 by 2. Okay, and cos beta, sorry, cos gamma, that is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So here let us find out the velocity vector in a rectangular form. Okay, so velocity vector nothing but position vector. That position vector of the board, which is written as v bar is equals to v into cos alpha I cap Okay, we have to write in the orthogonal vectors, position vector. So let us, for example, r bar is equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus, okay, zk cap, like that. So v cos alpha I cap, v cos beta j cap plus v cos gamma k cap. So v nothing but 20 here, okay, 20 meter per second, that is velocity, and cos alpha is how much? That is of 1 by 2 I cap plus 20 into cos beta 1 by root 2 j cap plus 20 into cos gamma, that is 1 by 2 k cap. This is 2 ones are 2 tens are 2 ones are 2 tens are. Here this we can write as 10 into 2, and this 2 we can write it as root 2 into root 2. So remaining root 2 will be there, like this. Okay, that is 10 I cap plus this is 10 and root 2, 10 root 2 j cap plus 10 k cap. That is what? The velocity vector. Okay, that is v bar is equal to, this is the answer. This is the answer. So yes, whatever, not only bird, whatever the animals, okay, or aeroplanes which are flying in the space, okay, same process we will do many problems. Okay, if alpha beta will be given, gamma we can find. If alpha gamma will be given, okay, then we can find the beta value. Okay, so this, from this directional cosine we can find the position vector, and also we can find the direction of that bird, direction of that aeroplane, okay, and angle, in which angle it is moving with respect to, okay, x axis, y axis, z axis, that we can find simply. Okay, now let us see the second question. Okay, the second question is, if p bar is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap, its direction cosine or options are given like this. Which one is correct? Let us solve it. Okay, solution. Okay, let us see fast and fast. Here p bar is a vector, but we know that direction cosine, that is cos alpha is equals to ax by a, yes or no? And cos beta is equals to ay by a, and cos gamma is equals to az by a. So in this, what is ax? This is ax. Okay, let us see what are the ax. Ax's are 1, ay is 2, that is magnitude we are taking, and az is 6. Okay, ax, ay, az we have it. Then what is a? A nothing but here p bar is there. Okay, p bar. This vector, if we find the, okay, that is p bar, and if we find the magnitude of that p bar vector, that is p equal to what? Okay, instead of p we are writing it as a bar. Okay, so that is a is equals to what? That is under root square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, square root of 1 plus 4 plus 36, this is 40 plus 1, root 41. Yes, we got it. A is equals to 41. So that we can simply apply that. Cos of ax nothing but 1 by root 41, and this is 2 by root 41, and this is, okay, so az, that is 6 by root 41. So this is the answer. Okay, 1 by root 41, 2 by root 41, and 6 by root 41. Where is this? Is 1 by 41, 2 by 41. So this is the answer. Second one is the answer.